Hello, my name is Billy Okafor and I work for Harvest Automation as a project manager. Harvest Automation is a robotics manufacturing small mobile material handling robots for industrial applications. I am overseeing the widespread development of agricultural robotics equipped with AI-enabled technology, aiding end users of meeting the increased demand for agricultural production. To further illustrate the application of agriculture AI will provide end users with autonomous vehicles that will allow for improved yield potential in crops and possess deep learning algorithms to address agriculture challenges faced by end users. Agricultural robotics, or AgPop for short, is set for release in the second quarter of 2020. The deployment of automation technology and reactive machinery will deliver viable options to maximize returns on production output. According to market and financial data found on Mintel, there is space for this sort of technology to really thrive in the farming market and to really transcend the Harvest Automation brand. Set to operate in the UK crop farming market, the proposed product will correct urbanisation issues facing the market and assist farmers in their digital evolution, fueled by the sociological, economic and environmental needs seeking convenience that will lower complexity and meet food supply demand. In brief, this is a rich opportunity for Harvest Automation to remain differentiated and competitive in an existing market using a product development strategy to spearhead innovation. Therefore, the aim of this project is to effectively deliver a new product concept which meets efficiency desires and responds to the increasing needs of the existing market. Harvest Automation will be operating in a space that combines B2B and B2C activity. Clients and customers will both be at the center of distribution operations, as AgPop will be available to clients within the manufacturing industry as well as customers. The end user will consist of both male and female, aged 55 to 65 plus, living within the ABC1 social category. Quite often farmers tend to be patient and to be fully prepared to deal with their livestock, crop, equipment and weather. They are also well informed on geographic and climate factors. Expectations of the end user include, firstly, quality-driven product with computing functionality that provides optimal results and benefit and profitability. Secondly, a product which is convenient and supportive in crop production. And lastly, a product that refines monitoring and evaluation methods. The benefits of the product are highlighted within Kotler's 3 layers of the product model. In summary, the benefits to the end user are: offers vision-based control to monitor environments, high-speed manipulation and enhanced image analysis, provides sufficient convenience by emulating human-like characteristics against the aggressive demands of the agriculture industry, improved decision-making resulting from accurate reporting. In addition to end users, other key stakeholders of the project include employees, competitors, landowners, farm workers, unions, farmers associations, and the government. So, in conclusion, stakeholders can expect the following from me as a project manager: to manage the expectations of internal stakeholder groups through implementing a clear project governance structure advised by the project board, and to successfully implement the 4 phases of project management. Thank you for listening.